What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ant Bees, and I'm hella hungry. I just got off work, and we about to get into these oxtails from Les BBQ. Les BBQ. So we finna prep this food right now. Put it in the oven for 120 minutes. 60 to 120 minutes. 60 to whatever until it's nice and hot. I'm probably gonna eat 2 of them for this review. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna see what the Texas way do it. So, all right, y'all. We finna find out. All right. Got the reheating tips right here. Get this out the way. Sorry, y'all. I made some steak and macaroni and cheese and onions and peppers and some asparagus over there. But some steak. But back to this though. Oxtails, the reheating steps right here. Let you know anything in the back. You got that right here. Got the front. All right, let's see what's inside. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, gotta open that. What we got in here? Oh, we got a bag. All right. Give us a bag. Okay. Texas in every way. Les BBQ. That's 5 oxtails right here. 5 oxtails for almost $160, I think. Almost $160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 oxtails for $160. We about to review these. These are the official candy apple red oxtails. Candy apple red oxtails. Y'all, we gonna dig right on in. Hey, one thing I gotta tell you guys though is the shipping. Yeah, you gotta pay for the shipping for Les BBQ, y'all. So, with that being said, $160 for some oxtails, plus you gotta pay for shipping. So, shipping is like, it's, I put 20 like something dollars on it, so it can, I wasn't tripping on the time, but if you're in a hurry, that's like $50. So yeah, you got to do that with the shipping. So that's why it gets kind of pricey, because shipping, you got to come out the pocket. Another thing though is the reason why I'm even doing the Les BBQ, y'all, is because I got a brother, right? He passed away for cancer. My brother Kelly B. You know what I'm saying? Died of cancer. Died at the age of 57 years old, man, from cancer. Fuck cancer. So we gonna say that. And before he passed away, I remember we had a conversation about Les BBQ, and he wanted to try the oxtail. So the reason why I'm even doing this review, to be real with y'all, is I bought the oxtails so I can just taste them for my brother, my big bro, man. So this is the reason why I'm even doing this review video for these oxtail. Kelly B, man, this is for you, man. This YouTube video about these oxtails, I'm letting the folks know, bro. Letting them know. Love you, bro. Rest in heaven, wherever you at. This one's for you. Yeah. So we had a conversation about the oxtails, and before he tried them, before he wanted to try them, he passed away, y'all. So I picked up the torch and basically did the oxtails for him. So yeah, y'all. All right, y'all. So We back. And the oxtails is done. So 2 hours in the oven. And this is what they're looking like. Let's give them a try. Let's see. Candy apple red, y'all. Candy apple red. The meat's good and tender. Good and tender meat. The meat's tender. All right, y'all. So we're gonna put some hot sauce on this one. We're gonna put some hot sauce on it. Cause they, I'm not getting sponsored by this, but shit, I'm using red hot, extra hot. Let's put some hot sauce on it. Hot sauce on it. Gonna bite it. It's pretty good. The hot sauce. It's good with the hot sauce. Pretty good with the hot sauce. Yeah. Pretty good with the hot sauce. Now, when I get it again, I give him another shot. I'll probably get some, like I said, a different flavor. Like, he got what? The candy apple. He got the lemon pepper. And he got the Cajun. So he got 3 flavors. I can do, I got to make a decision on that one. Candy, lemon pepper or Cajun. Then he got ribs too. So, and then he got hamburgers. And then he got an infused sausage, oxtail sausage. And he has, his hamburgers are, what are they? Oxtail hamburgers. So we got to check that out too, maybe. But on a scale from 1 to 10 right now, I'm at least 7 out. The Kevin Samuel rating scale. I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8. The meat was tender, nice, decent sized oxtails. The flavor was there, but the candy apple flavor wasn't there. The candy apple flavor wasn't there. That's why I'm giving them an 8. I didn't have the taste of that. Hot sauce is lovely with the hot sauce on it. But yeah, when I come back, yeah, I'll go back. I gotta probably, when I get more views and subscribers and stuff like that, I'll probably make a flight out there and gotta go check his restaurant out there in Utah. Because we out here in AZ, so Utah's like north from here, so that'd be a cool little plane ride, go give Les a visit if he's not on tour, you know what I'm saying? Shake the man hand or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Hustling as Les, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I give them that. So, yeah, I'll be back. I will definitely be back. So, YouTube, there you go. LES Barbecue Review. Good shit, man.